Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I have been on the lookout for a canopy tent that I can use not just at home, but also when we go camping or for other activities. We get really high winds where we live, and sometimes I want to sit outside when it's nice out, but the wind can be really irritating. So I love that it comes with a wall that you can put up either to block the sun or the wind, because then I can sit outside in my yard and not be bothered by the high winds and still enjoy my time. We used this when we had a garage sale to help shield part of the really sunny area, and we used it when we went camping pretty extensively for sunshade, and it was so nice to have this option when we had a campground that didn't have a lot of tree cover. I like that it has the option to have smaller sides. You can use the adjustable straps that run along the ground. And then when you put up the wall, I just simply twisted it around the legs and hooked it in from there so that it made the wall smaller to accommodate the smaller sides. When we first went to open it, we thought it operated more like an umbrella with the components on the inside, but it turns out they're actually on the outside. So you place it where it looks like it's kind of upside down, and then you pull up from there. And once you get the technique down, it's actually really easy to open. I can do it in about 30 seconds now, just by myself. I'm really happy with this pop-up canopy from Mobihome. I am using it all over the place. I really like it, and that's my point of view.